Your iPhone is a piece of world-class engineering, but out of the box, it's actually being throttled. Apple sets your network to automatic to prioritize battery life over everything else, which often leaves you with sluggish downloads and dropped calls. I'll show you how to unlock your phone's true potential to bypass carrier limitations, optimize your 5G signal, and reconfigure your connection for lightning-fast browsing. If you're tired of seeing that spinning loading wheel, hit that like button. Let's get started. First, let's start by maximizing your cellular engine by telling your phone to stop playing it safe and start prioritizing speed. Open your settings and tap on Cellular. Inside, look for Cellular Data Options. Start by ensuring data roaming is turned on. Most modern plans don't charge extra for this within your country, and it allows your phone to jump onto the strongest available tower without hesitation. Next, go into Voice and Data. If you see 5G Auto selected, switch it to 5G On. While Auto tries to save battery by dropping to LTE, 5G On forces your phone to stay on the fastest frequency available, ensuring your calls stay crystal clear and your data stays snappy. Finally, go to Data Mode and select Allow More Data on 5G. This is a game changer. It unlocks higher quality FaceTime calls and ensures your apps don't buffer or downgrade their quality while you're on the move. Now let's solve the dead zone call issue. If you ever find yourself in a building where the signal bar is low, you need to turn on your iPhone's built-in mini cell tower feature. Go back to the main cellular menu and tap Wi-Fi calling. Toggle Wi-Fi calling on this iPhone to on. This allows your phone to route your voice calls through your internet router when the cell signal is weak. It makes your calls sound incredibly clear, even in a basement or a high-rise office. You may need to enter your emergency address for safety compliance, but it only takes a second and ensures help can find you if you ever call for emergency services over Wi-Fi. On to the magic DNS turbocharge, which is the step most people miss. Understand that your ISP or Internet Service Provider uses default directories called DNS servers that are often crowded and slow. So we're going to switch to Cloudflare, which is arguably the fastest and most private DNS in the world. To do this, go to your Wi-Fi settings and tap the small I next to your connected network. Scroll down until you see Configure DNS. Change it from automatic to manual. Now, we are going to add two specific addresses. For your primary server, you want to type in the number 1, followed by a dot, another 1, a dot, another 1, and one last dot to make it 1.1.1.1. For your backup server, add a second entry and type in 1.0.0.1 to make it 1.0.0.1. Hit save, and your phone will now find websites significantly faster than it did before. Now that you've optimized your settings, go to Google and search for Speed Test. Run it and compare it to your old results. You should see a lower ping, which means less lag, and higher download speeds. Your iPhone is now finally running at the speed it was designed for. Which of these settings made the biggest difference for you? Let me know in the comments. Click this card for a curation of our best phone optimization video tutorials, and check the description below for more. Thanks for watching.